Hello, students. In this lecture, we will learn the basics of Logistics Management Information System. The main contents are related concepts of Logistics Management Information System, classification of Logistics Management Information System, and the hierarchy of Logistics Management Information System. Related concepts of Logistics Management Information System. Logistics Management Information System (LMS) refers to, within a certain time and space, a system composed of people and computers, etc. For logistics information, including spatial information, to collect, transmit, store, process, maintain, and use, is one of the important parts of the logistics system. Logistics refers to, in order to meet the needs of customers at the lowest cost, through transportation, storage, distribution, and other means, to realize the raw materials, semi-finished products, finished products, and related information, from the place of origin to the place of consumption of goods. The whole process of planning, implementation, and management. Modern logistics not only simply considers the distribution of goods from producers to consumers, but also considers from suppliers to producers. The procurement of raw materials,
as well as the producers themselves in the process of product manufacturing.
Transportation, storage and information, and other aspects
comprehensively
improve economic benefits and efficiency. Logistics Information Classification. Point 1. Classified by different logistics functions: warehousing information, transportation information, processing information, packaging information, loading and unloading information, etc. 2. Classification by information link: information input into logistics activities, and information generated by logistics activities. Point 3. Classification by function level of information: basic information, operation information, coordination and control information, decision support information. Point 4. According to the different classification of information processing degree: original information and processing information. Logistics information management is the process of collection, processing, analysis, application, storage, and dissemination of logistics information, and also a process of transferring logistics information from dispersion to centralization, and from disorder to order. Classification by hierarchy of management decisions. It can be divided into Logistics Operation Management System, Logistics Coordination Control System, and Logistics Decision Support System. Classification by system application objects. Logistics Management Information System for manufacturing enterprises, for retailers, middlemen, suppliers. Logistics Management Information System for logistics enterprises, 3PLMIS. Classified by the technology used in the system: standalone system, internal network system, interconnection system, with partners and customers. Complete Logistics Management Information System should have the following 5 layers. In this lecture, we will learn the architecture of Logistics Management Information System. Mainly introduce the architecture of Logistics Management Information System. Logistics Information System is an information system that supports the operation, management, control, and decision-making of logistics enterprises or logistics systems. It is a solution for logistics enterprises in response to the challenges brought by the environment. Made based on information technology. Classification of Logistics Information System is mostly a multi-dimensional model framework, as shown in Figure 7-2. Divided into organizational dimension, functional dimension, hierarchical dimension, boundary dimension, technical dimension, and information support dimension. The organizational dimension of Information System Application System. In the organizational dimension, only consider organizational factors, i.e., industry factors, without considering the supply chain links, such as the medical field, iron and steel field, coal field, automobile field, and home appliance field, etc. While the logistics information system, according to the service field, considers the corresponding supply chain links respectively, as shown in Figure 7-3. The organizational dimension-related support systems of logistics information system include supplier support system, manufacturer support system, distributor support system, and retailer support system. 1. Manufacturer support system. Basic goal: to make the enterprise's production logistics, supply logistics, sales logistics, waste recycling logistics achieve with the lowest cost and the fastest speed. 2. Related systems: production forecasting system, order service system, production and manufacturing system, maintenance system, warehouse control system, cost planning and control system, etc. 2. Distributor support system. Basic objective: in the circulation process, play an intermediary role, reduce the transaction times between a single manufacturer and a retailer, while reducing the cost, realize the diversified purchase requirements of the retail industry to a certain extent. Main business: stocking function, logistics function, information function, financial function, etc. Related systems: order, purchasing, sales, distribution, inventory, finance, customer relationship management system. 3. Retailer support system. Basic objectives: to achieve low cost and timely procurement, replenishment, improve the accuracy and forecasting ability of sales statistics, reduce inventory level, and improve inventory turnover. Related systems: purchase order system, POS system, sales analysis and forecast system, inventory management system, financial processing system. The 4 major functions of traditional enterprises are production, accounting, personnel, and marketing. The characteristic functions of logistics enterprises are inventory, transportation, and distribution. 1. Inventory business management, basic business, receiving, inspection, loading and unloading, tally, storage, transit, sorting, etc. Related systems: out and in-system judgment management, inventory management, return and exchange management, etc. 2. Transportation business management. Basic business: cargo gathering, distribution, handling, transit, loading, unloading, distribution. Related systems: stowage dispatching system, transportation process control system, tracking dispatching system, etc. 3. Distribution business management. Basic business: pick, process, pack, divide and match goods. Related systems: distribution optimization management, .FR8 forwarder management, distribution management, freight settlement, vehicle information maintenance, agent collection management, etc. The hierarchy of logistics enterprise operation management is divided into 4 layers: strategic layer, management layer, knowledge layer, and operation layer, as shown in Figure 7-4. Each management level has different characteristics of information needs. 1. Characteristics of information needs at the management level. Strategic layer: randomness, generality, predictability. Management layer: comparability, generality, internal and external sources of information. Knowledge layer: knowledge explicit, knowledge dissemination. Operation layer: repeatability, predictability, detailed, internal information source, structured information. 2. Levels of logistics information system: manager support system, decision support system, management information system, knowledge work system, and office automation system, transaction processing system. See Figure 7-4. Boundary dimension: logistics information system. can be divided into intra-organization logistics information system and cross-organization logistics information system. 1. Cross-organizational logistics information system, inter-organizational LIS, IOLS. Definition of IOLS. From the technical point of view, IOLS is an information system based on computer network communication technology, which supports information exchange among logistics organizations. Resource sharing. From the perspective of operation, IOLS is a solution based on information technology, generated in response to the global economic integration and the implementation of logistics organization global strategy, or cooperation between logistics organizations, logistics organization alliance and management. 2. Types of cross-organizational logistics information system. Transactional cooperation system, electronic market, online auction, electronic procurement, workflow cooperation system, ERP, SCMCRM, interactive collaboration system, product lifecycle management. 3. Foundation of cross-organizational logistics information system. Institutional basis, partner evaluation, incentive and punishment, trust mechanism, and benefit sharing mechanism. Technical foundation, workflow, EDI, XML, and semantic web, ontology, web services, and EI. Today, we will learn the content of logistics management information system. 1. Composition of logistics system, transportation subsystem, storage subsystem, loading, unloading and handling subsystem, packaging subsystem, circulation processing subsystem, distribution subsystem, circulation processing subsystem, logistics information subsystem, etc. 2. Characteristics of modern logistics industry, network, business diversification, flexibility, standardization, intelligence, etc. 3. Research object of modern logistics management information system. 4. Basic conditions for establishing logistics management information system. Scientific management basis. Master principle, a team, resources guarantee. This lecture ends here. Thank you.